friends, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Regina and I am so happy to see you. So it is wash day. I've already shampooed my hair and I'm using some new to me products that I want to talk to you about. And these have been out for a little while, I believe. I know that this particular product line keeps expanding. I have products from Mielle, and this is the Rosemary Mint collection. I have the strengthening leave-in conditioner, and I'm pairing that with the daily styling cream. And I thought about it, I'm like, well, these products aren't like super new, I don't think, but they're new to me. And if you're a viewer to my channel, perhaps a subscriber, I have never presented these to you. Maybe you don't know about this line, so we can learn about it together, or I can share with you my experience with the products. So actually, I did something different on this wash day, which was in a previous video. It's the one right before this one. I used the scalp scrub from this line. If you're interested in a scalp scrub and my thoughts on it, just look for that video. I will actually put a link to it in the description box for you. But I did the scalp scrub, I shampooed and conditioned, and now I'm styling my hair. I'm doing 2-strand twists today. I typically do flat twists, so I'm just switching things up a little bit. I've done most of my hair, and I just have the front and side section left to do. If you're not familiar with my channel, I have natural chemical-free hair, no dye, no nothing, and I believe I am in the 3C category. I have fine natural hair. So this is what I work with, and we're going to see how these products work today for the twist out. All right, so just to tell you a little bit about these products, I think everything from the line, from the Rosemary Mint collection, is infused with biotin and encourages longer, healthier hair. Who doesn't want that? That's my goal. That may not be your goal. Honestly, I want long hair. I think in one video a while ago, I said I prefer length over health, and that's not so true anymore. I think it's possible to have both. So that's what I'm aiming for, is to have both. But the products have really good ingredients. I did look at the ingredient list. You can definitely smell the mint in these products, and peppermint oil is farther down on the ingredient list. So for the leave-in conditioner, it just says apply a generous amount to sectioned hair. It doesn't say to put it on wet hair or damp hair or dry hair. I wouldn't put a leave-in conditioner on my dry hair. I'm just used to using it on wet hair after I shampoo. So apply the product, detangle with your fingers, and do not rinse it out because it's a leave-in. Now, let's use this leave-in and let's see what's going on here. And like I said, I've done most of my hair. And y'all, my experience with this leave-in, I tried to do it on damp hair and run my fingers through it. Damp hair didn't work. I had to pull out the spray bottle. And this section of my hair is, I want to say like resistant to accepting moisture and products. It's just, I really have to work products in and pray that my hair comes out okay. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just really getting this product in. And I could not find my detangling brush, so I've got a wide tooth comb. And my, skinny tooth comb. But my hair is detangled. Going all the way down to the ends. Okay, so that was the leave-in. And then next is the Rosemary Mint Daily Styling Cream. Directions, in my opinion, are a little vague on both of these. And is it just me, or are many hair products on the market like that? I get a product and it says you can use it on wet or dry hair for twist outs, braid outs, wash and goes, rod sets, all that stuff. And it doesn't tell you to pair it with anything. Now, for a large portion of my content on YouTube, I use products by themselves. If it doesn't tell me to pair it with something else, then I didn't pair it. Number one, because my hair is fine and takes product pretty well, except for my, sections I know I have to work it in really well. But so most times I did a lot of one product styling. But for 2024, I decided to really start back using leave-in conditioners because I started using them and I saw the benefit to my hair. So this is the styling cream, and the directions just say section hair and apply. Apply product to damp or dry hair. Do not rinse it. Style your hair as desired. Now this does say use as a daily styling cream for twist outs, braid outs, and wash and go styles. So not quite as vague as the leave-in, but I think brands should give more direction to consumers about how to use their products. We spend our money, and then people like me have to kind of go through and put products together and hope for the best. So I'm just doing 2-strand twists. Like I said, the products do smell very good. They're minty, if I didn't say that already. I'm not really sure I do know what rosemary smells like. I don't quite get the rosemary, but I definitely get the mint. And although it's strong as I'm applying the products, but I don't think it's going to hang around. The scent's going to hang around too long. Did I miss some again? Okay, y'all, this never fails. I don't know what my problem is. I'm putting a little bit of the cream on it. I don't know. Maybe I need to put my glasses back on. Now my hair in the back receives product very well, especially at my nape area. Like this up here, it takes it a while to really, really sink in. Granted, I probably use a lot of product, more than I should. But eventually, it's gonna sink in. All right, y'all. I don't know. For some reason, I'm not feeling very hopeful. I'm not feeling very hopeful about these products. We shall see when it dries. There's hardly any slip, and I had to re-wet my hair to be able to make sure the product got in and that I could really comb it without snagging. So I don't know, but who knows? I might be very surprised when it dries. All right, it's the next morning. I'm taking my twists out. I did end up sleeping in them because it was late. Okay, my hair does look shiny. And remember, I told you I was concerned that the products, neither one of them said anything about smoothness and shine, which is surprising. It feels good though. My hair has a gentle hold from the styling cream, and I wasn't expecting that. It's a cream, so I thought it would be super soft. But yeah, there's a very light hold, a gentle hold, which I like. Okay, I have tried to record this outro like 6 times, so this is gonna be it no matter what. I took all of my twists out, and y'all, I was laughing at myself in the mirror because to me it looked like I had a jerry curl. Like a long jerry curl. And there's nothing wrong with jerry curls. I was like mad, I was laughing at myself, all of it. I had a middle part, but my roots were, my crown area was so puffy at the root. I didn't like the way it looked. It didn't look right. So I flipped it over. Luckily I had a part here and it worked out really good. So about my hairstyle before I talk about the products. My hair is very elongated. I think I used too much product and it just weighed my hair down, and my twists were so skinny. I have fine hair, but the combination of fine hair and like too much product can weigh my hair down, and that's what I think happened, which is why I got these long twists. And my hair, I think, is like borderline stringy. This style rather is borderline stringy. Now the definition and everything looks great because my twists were, you know, held together, locked together by the product. I got this stringy piece right here. And I think I'm going to just maybe put some water and some cream on it and see if it'll curl up. So yeah, that's it about my hairstyle. The more I look at it, the more I guess it looks okay. It's gonna have to be okay. I'm not redoing my hair right away. I don't want to go through wash day again right now, so I'll have it in for a few days. About the products, I honestly can't say if they are good or bad for my hair. Technique and how you apply your products affects your style a lot, and I do honestly believe I use too much leave-in conditioner. I don't know if you can use too much leave-in, but the styling cream, I think I use too much, and I'll know next time to ease up. I use way too much product. My scalp feels dry, and I don't know if it was these products or a scalp scrub that I used from this same line earlier, but my scalp feels dry, so I've got to go in with some argan oil. If you do have finer hair like I do, argan oil is great. It's a very lightweight oil, but my scalp is dry. My hair feels okay. My hair feels okay, but my scalp is really dry, and I just don't want it to start itching, and I scratch and just have a whole thing. But I'm not giving up on these products. I'm going to use them again and see if I can get the right balance of leave-in and styler, and go from there. So it's okay. I'm not, this is one of those styles I'm not excited about at all, but I can't say it's the products. That wouldn't be fair. So look, y'all, let me know if you've used the Mielle Rosemary Mint line and how it worked for you. Because, you know, I know we all have, our hair reacts to products differently, and I don't know. So let me wrap this video up. I hope this might have been helpful for someone, and I want to leave with this. If you try new products and you don't get the result that you want, don't immediately blame the products. Try the products over and over again, you know, at least a couple more times, and see if it's something that you might be doing in your application or something like that, and you may get better results. So thank you for watching. Give me some feedback on this product line and on my Jerry curl. Friends, thank you for watching. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.